Hi guys, we're back again with another unboxing video. So I'm really excited because this is my first ever winter package for BTS. So I made a pre-order and it's finally here. I just decided to buy it from a local reseller here in the Philippines. And it's finally here. It's so pretty. It's so huge. Oh, okay. It's actually so pretty. This is actually my first ever winter package that I bought. So it's really special and it's so pretty. Here's the back. That's a purple box with winter package and Gangwon. It's so pretty, guys. Ah, so pretty. So let's try to check what's inside this winter package. Okay, I so love it. It's actually purple. Even before I became an army, I really like my favorite color is purple, so it's so pretty. So we got here the pouch. So these are detachable. Well, let's this one. And we got here. Let's try to check what's inside. We got a lot of things inside. So we got here the photo book. We got the photo book. I got here. It's a group poster. Not sure if this is a poster. Got here the CD. This is the pre-order benefit. Wapen. Oh, I got Namjoon. I got Namjoon. Namjoon is so cute. I got Namjoon. That's Namjoon over there. And we got here. I think this is a complete set. Okay, we got here. We got Namjoon. got Jin, got J-Hope, we got Jimin, Taeyong, Jungkook, we got weapons. We got here the making DVD for the winter package. So nice. Let's open this one. Oh, this is so cute. Wow, this is so nice. So nice. Got here Namjoon, Suga, Jin, Taeyong, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. This is so nice. Wow, this is so nice. That's so nice, right? We got here two posters, picture posters, I think. Oh, this is so nice. This is so nice. And I'm gonna be checking the photo book. So just set aside. Okay, here's the photo book. Okay. So sorry, I'm just so excited. Oh, this is so big. Here's the photo book. I think we got random photo cards inside. Okay. Got here a group photo. Oh, that's so cute. Yoongi's so cute. They're hugging Yoongi. Oh, that's so cute, right? Oh my god. Ah. Oh my god. It's actually my first Taeyong. My first ever Taeyong photo card. Oh my god. I'm so lucky. We got Taeyong, guys. Oh my god. We got Taeyong here. That's so nice. Okay. I'm so happy. It's actually my first ever Taeyong photo card. I'm just so happy. This is so nice. this is so nice, right? I mean, well, I'm really hoping, no, I'm not really hoping I got Taeyong because I never got Taeyong's PC before. But I'm just so happy. I mean, whoever members that came home, I mean, whoever is the one that I got in the random PC, I would really accept it with my whole heart. But wow, I'm just so happy that I got Taeyong. So they actually got a lot of items inside, and I'm really happy because I did made a pre-order. So thank you so much guys for watching. I really don't have to say anything about I'm so happy that I finally have it. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. See you in my next unboxing. Like, share, and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Kamsahamnida. Ayun, bye!